Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bots, which is Photon Sol and AI Autosnipe. So to get started with the in-depth review about the two platforms, Autosnipe AI is built with a singular aggressive purpose, like hyper speed sniping of new token launches. Its AI-powered automation aims to get you into a coin in milliseconds, right as it goes live, making it ideal for traders whose strategy relies on purely being the absolutely first to enter the high speculative new project. However, user experience often highlight the significant commission deduction that can erode the profit. The inherent extreme risk of these sniping strategies means it profitably is very rare for smaller gain. In contrast, Photon Sol aims to be more rounded Solana trading platform with a strong emphasis on token discovery and rapid, but not exclusively sniped focused trading. While it offers a quick buy and sell functionalities and provide an insight into trading token, its broader utility include the features that help users find and analyze new pair efficiently. However, recent user feedback for Proton has raised concern about a lack of innovation compared to newer bots, high commission fee, and gas fee that can make small traders unprofitable. Trade fails and issues with website responsiveness and customer support. And ultimately, Autosnipe is an AI highly specialized, though risk tools for aggressive early entries, while Proton Solana aims to broader utility is taking discovery and trading on Solana, but face challenges with its free structure and reliability in 2025. And that's it.